Hi, I'm Linda, reading tutor and parent support coach. And I wanted to make you a little video today because I just did my fall calendar. And with grad school and my tutoring clients and preparing for my October summit and helping colleagues with their summits, I was feeling overwhelmed. So I put it into ChatGPT, and the AI showed me that I could get everything done and still have this huge 4-hour gap in my day all afternoon. So I thought, you know what? I should run my parent course again. So I wanted to tell you a little about this course if you haven't heard. Basically, it is designed to save parents money over long-term tutoring for reading intervention. I was looking at the demographics some months back about who basically is behind in reading, and 80% of the students in our country who were tested at the 4th grade level as being behind grade level were from a demographic that couldn't afford thousands of dollars for ongoing tutoring. We're just middle class, like we're just trying to make it. So I dreamed up this parent course as just 6 weeks of tutoring for your child, during which time the parent also meets with me in separate adult-only classes, and you learn how to carry on the reading intervention after the 6 weeks. So the child starts with me, and then all during that time, I'm training you to do what I do. So I thought this was just a genius idea. Put the power in the people. And so I ran my first session of the course over the summer, and parents were astounded. Parents were crying over the change in their relationship with their child, how we were able to solve the soft skills, as well as me imparting the information about actually how to do the reading remediation. And it was just amazing. So over the 6 weeks that the child spends with me, I'm doing continual ongoing assessment. That's why I really need the 6 weeks to set you up for success. I start the child with their rhythms, their reading rhythms. They're doing it with me, so you don't have that flack between child parent. You can get a little break from that. But then gradually we ease you back in, and we solve the issues. So come join me, and I hope to see you there.